Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study social studies of class 3. So take out your social studies books and open up page number 52. Today we will start a new lesson and the topic of our lesson is water for my family. We have already discussed some details regarding water, and in our today's lecture we will discuss about water. So take out your social studies books and open up page number 52. Okay. Look at the picture. Who is she? She is Rani. Rani lives in a remote village in Sindh. Where does she live? Rani lives in a remote village in Sindh. There was very little rain in her village this year. So, people of the village get water from the wells. Where do they get water? They get water from the wells. So she and her mother go every day to fetch water from a well. Her mother carried 3 pots of water on her head. Rani can carry only one. Why? Because Rani is younger. But the mother can carry 3 pots at the same time. Because of the little rainfall, there is the water shortage in their village. So they have to get water from the well. In their village, water is not wasted. The people of Azamabad are very worried. There is a water shortage in their neighborhood. More and more people have come to the city, which has made their neighborhood very crowded. Now, let's talk about Azamabad. The people of Azamabad were very worried. Why? Because there is a water shortage in their neighborhood. More and more people have come into the city. That's why the city have become more crowded. A government water tanker comes to their neighborhood to give water to the people. The people of Azamabad at times queue up for 3 hours for their turn to fill water in buckets and drums from the tanker. Yes. How do the people lead their life in the areas where there is shortage of water? Yes, they use water tankers. A government water tanker comes to the neighborhood to give water to the people. And the people of Azamabad, at times they have to queue up to get some water. Water is important. Water is important for everyone. Water is important for all the living things. Without water, there would be no life on earth. Do you know this thing? That without water, there is no life on earth. Farmers use water to grow crops. This is called irrigation. Although there is plenty of water on earth, only a small part of the water is suitable for our use. The water we use is not salty, it is fresh water. Do you know this thing? The water that we use, that we drink, is not salty, it is fresh water. We drink fresh water. Page number 53. When people have water less than their actual need for their daily activities, so we say there is water shortage. In any area where there is insufficient supply of water from their actual need, so we can say there is the shortage of water. River River water and groundwater are two main sources of fresh water. Where do we get river water and groundwater? We get river water and groundwater from these two sources, river and ground. Pakistan has many water bodies such as rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. Pakistan has many water bodies like river, streams, lakes, and ponds. These water bodies get water from rain. Yes, these water bodies get water from the rain and from the melting ice and snow in the mountains. So when there is no rain, these water resources dry up or have little water. In this way, there is a shortage of water. As a result of water shortage, water is not freely available for household use. There is less water to grow crops. There is even a shortage of electricity. If this condition continues for a year or two, we say we are facing a drought. Look at the picture. This picture is showing a drought. As a result of water shortage, if this situation continues for like 2 years, so we can say that we are facing drought. Now note down your homework, read page number 52 and page number 53 and make title page of this lesson in your notebook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.